All right, so hopefully I can pump some water here. This is my other generator. It's 3,550 watts. And see if this cable reaches for here. Yes, it does. And we'll see if it starts because it's pretty finicky. And I don't know. We'll find out. Like all this stuff, this thing's broken off. The choke is broken off. So let me choke it up. Is that right? I don't even know. I've forgotten. Oh no, it's this way for choke, yeah. So let me choke it. It's kind of hard to use now, but whatever. Maybe it's the other way. Damn it. That's not going to work. Another problem over there. I'm just surrounded by problems here. It's amazing. Failures all around me. I am a fucked up failure. That's what I'm learning. But you know what you can do. How you can do it when you can do it with what you got. So I'll keep trying, I guess. Thing is, that generator, it doesn't get used a lot, which is a bad thing for a generator. Like I haven't used it for a few months at least because I use so little water. It's to pump water. And that pump should be a 12 volt pump up there to pump that water. And I should have a working solar power system, so it wouldn't work anyway. And if it was 12 volt, actually I wouldn't be able to use a generator because my solar's out. So that would be bad. What I really need is a portable submersible pump that I can move to where I want it. Because like over here, I've got a big water storage thing, and it used to have a pump, but now I don't have that. That broke many years ago, and I never did get around to fixing it. So a bunch of water in there that I can get from the other side to the plant area, the plant propagation area, but I can't get it to here. So that's kind of a bummer. Like I think I got more broken machines that are critical at this point than I have ones that actually work. That is not good. But I have gasoline at least. Let's check in on email. Check in on you. See if you wrote me a cool message on my videos, a cool comment, because I said such brilliantly useful things to you, hopefully at some point. Check this guy. Mediocre at best. What do? Let's do things.